Dreams. When a child is born, before getting its consciousness, he starts dreaming. By getting older, his dream starts shaping. In childhood, he wants that one toy he dreamed of. In teenage, the body he wants to show off. And in late 20s, 30s, wants to build something that will make their loved ones proud of. But what actually dream is? It's the feeling of happiness when getting the favorite toy. It's the feeling of respect in the friend circle when showing the desired physique. It's the feeling of proudness when you have built something. But what happened in 2024? You scratched your diary to make 2023 to 2024 and planned your dreams on that. You start chasing your dreams from the first day. First week feels very motivating and आपको लगता है that you can do anything, you can achieve anything. But after then the main struggles start. कभी तबीयत खराब, कभी फैमिली सिचुएशन, तो कभी फाइनेंशियल दिक्कत, तो कभी मन नहीं करता करते करते 6 महीने कब बीत जाते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता है. एंड फिर आपको याद आता है आपकी वो ड्रीम्स वाली डायरी. यू अगेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट एंड यू मेक अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन ऑल्सो. पर फिर चैलेंजेस, और इस बार चैलेंजेस इतने बड़े थे कि आप सीधे पहुंचते हो दिसंबर में. एंड देन यू रियलाइज कि योर ईयर ऑफ ड्रीम्स हैज गॉन. आपने डायरी को भरा तो जरूर था, पर उन कुछ खाली पन्नों के चलते आप उस ऑर्बिट को कभी छोड़ ही नहीं पाए. यू कुडंट कंप्लीट योर ड्रीम्स.
इज एवरीथिंग ओके?
नो, आई एम ओके.
As we close another chapter and step into the promise of 2025, we remember every moment shapes us to be stronger, to seek beauty in simplicity, to connect deeply, to grow beyond limits, to find peace in the chaos, and to never stop dreaming. Here's to a new year, a stronger us, and the stories yet